Good afternoon, Stampers. Welcome to my Friday Facebook Live. My name is Sarah Chatello. I am with Sassy Paper Crafts. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today I wanted to show you some of my favorite retiring products from the 2020 to 2021 annual catalog. Now, these products will be retiring on May 3rd at 11:59 Mountain Time, with the launch of the new catalog shortly after that on May 4th. So let's get started. I'm going to show you the first stamp set that is retiring. Now this currently is a bundle. This is the Pattern Play stamp set, and it also comes with, you buy it as a bundle, the alphabet dies. Those are the playful alphabet dies. Those will not be retiring. Let me just show you those. These are sticking around in the new catalog, but if you buy them now, you'll get a 10% discount as a bundle. And I love this stamp set. So I'm also going to be showing you cards that I've made using these things. So let me pull out. That's the one I showed this week on my Facebook and Instagram, if you follow me there. Using just this stamp set and the Desire Series paper, which is also retiring. And this is one I made using the dies, as well as the paper and the dots. And the ribbon, too, which I believe is also retiring. So there's that one. The next one is the Game On stamp set. Oops, bumping the camera. There we go. The Game On stamp set. And this is 8 stamps, and they're the cling stamp sets. And there's a card I made using that. And then next is the Wildly Happy stamp set. I love this one for baby cards. And I have 2 baby cards here. One's kind of a gender neutral. And I used blends here to color the fox. And the other one's more of like a girl card. I used the little bunnies. I've used all of them though. That's such a good stamp set for baby cards. That will be retiring. And next is the Rooted in Nature stamp set, which was one of my favorites, and I'm very sad to see it go. This is a big stamp set, and it also has the Nature's Roots dies. Let me see, they're right here. Or right, Nature's Roots dies. And it cuts out the trees, and you get some extra leaves and things in there. And here are some cards I've made using that. And this one I just posted last week. Now for this one I did kind of a watercolor technique. I stamped, this is a 2-tree stamp. So I used this one, stamped it several times, and then I used a spritzer, I have right here, filled with water, to spritz water on it, and it gives it that watercolor look. And then I use some of the dyes here, and that's the Tasteful Labels dyes, which is not retiring, thankfully, because I use that a ton. And I was looking this morning, and a lot of stuff that I use quite frequently is already sold out. So if you're interested in these, I would get them while you can, because they are going. My Stitch Shapes is already gone. So the next one is great for guy cards. And it's the Geared Up Garage stamp set. There are dies with this, but they are already sadly sold out. But this stamp set right now is on sale for $18.90, which is super cheap. It's discounted. And here's a few cards I've made, and like I said, these are part of the dies. They are sold out, unfortunately, but I am sure after the catalog retires you'll be able to find them on places like eBay and things like that. There's groups on Facebook that sell retired Stampin' Up! Products. And then this one I posted on my social media pages this week. Also using the brick embossing folder and the silver foil paper, which is also retiring. And the next one we have is the Good Morning Magnolia stamp set. And I did a live using this stamp set in my VIP group. And this is the card we made over there, using that and Purple Posy, which is one of the retiring in colors. And if you'd like to see my VIP card tutorials, just go ahead and click the link in the description, and that will take you to my VIP group and you can join. Now this stamp set also comes with dies. This is what it comes with. You buy them separately. But these dies, guys, right now are on sale for $8.75, which is super cheap. These are heavily, heavily discounted. So I would run and get this one while you still can. Now the next stamp set is actually part of a kit. And I don't have the kit, but I can show you the kit. It's the Gorgeous Posies stamp set. And it is part of a kit in the current annual catalog. Just flip through that. Actually, I don't know what page it's on, so let's use the handy dandy index in the back. Gorgeous Posies is on page 8. There it is. So that is the card kit right there, and it's originally $32. Right now it is on sale for $25.60. And then there's the stamp set that will be retiring on May 3rd. Like I said, I didn't get the kit, but I do love this stamp set. And this is a card I posted this week. I didn't do anything to the inside in that one, but I really like how that turned out. And the next one is the Dandelion Wishes stamp set. And I did the live last week where we made this card. And there are the 4 other ones. And these are current in colors until next year, until 2022. So we have Magenta Madness, Just Jade, Cinnamon Cider, Bumblebee, and Misty Moonlight. And I really like that sentiment. And so the next one will be Butterfly Wishes. And I'm actually so sad about them. I love butterflies. They're so pretty. This one actually coordinates. See if I didn't grab it out. There it is. With the butterfly duet punch. You can cut that butterfly out and that one with this punch. And this is actually on sale right now for $7.20. So this is a good one to get. Here's a card I made using both of those. I used the punch here. Set up and show you. So I'm super sad about that, but I keep my retiring stamp sets because you never know if you have somebody who loves butterflies, and you know, I'll keep that probably forever. And these are 2 more cards that I made. I believe that's Bermuda Bay and Gorgeous Grape. And I used the, oh wait, this is for Beauty Abounds. Did I get that out? I didn't. Hang on. Beauty Abounds is one. That is, yep, here it is. Wrong stamp set. This is the one. And this one is also retiring, and I love the little circles here. And that's what I used on the card there. And I like the sentiments a lot in this one. And that is also retiring. And now on to some embellishments. So, like I mentioned before, the 2020 to 2022 in colors, they are sticking around, the colors are. But these dots are leaving us. But they will be replaced with some new in color squares, which I can't show you yet because I don't have them, and I can't show you the inside of the catalog. But if you want to see the inside of the catalog, be sure to click the launch party link in the description of this video, where you'll be able to join my launch party on May 4th at 7 p.m. And I'm gonna be showing you the inside of the catalog, some new products. Our next thing that is retiring, and it's also kind of tangled, is the Daffodil Delight 1/4 inch ruched ribbon. And this is just such a pretty ribbon. And this is on sale right now for $3. I mean, it doesn't come like this. It comes on a roll and it's nice and neat, but I keep mine in little envelopes, so mine's just a mess right now. And then the last thing that I wanted to show you guys is the Forever Greenery Designer Series paper. I love this paper. And if you leave a comment on this video or on my YouTube channel on this video, you will be entered to win this paper right here. This is what I call a little sample pack. They are 6 by 6, and you get one sheet of each design. So I will be drawing the winner for that next Friday, and the winner of last week's drawing is Linda Hauser. She won our pen pack, the Onstage Poppy pens. But if you'd like to win this paper, just go ahead and leave a comment. You could just say hello. You could tell me your favorite retiring product. And then one more thing I wanted to show you. If I didn't get them out because I don't know why I didn't get them out. I just didn't. Here they are. Sorry, they're stuck in my drawer. Now the Whale of a Time stamp set and punch are carrying over, but the paper I think is already gone. But these sequins, they are still available, and these would make great shaker cards. These sequins are currently on sale for $5.20. So if you would like to see the products I mentioned and go back through them, I will be having a blog post up here in the next hour or so. It'll have links to my online store to all the things I mentioned, and you'll be able to see the last chance products. And like I said, they are available until May 3rd at 11:59 Mountain Time. So get your orders in while you can. And to win this paper, all you have to do is leave a comment. And I will be going live in my VIP group this Sunday, and I'm going to show you what I'm using. The Pansy Patch set. And these have dies, so if you'd like to see the card that I make with this, and it's going to be a good one, go ahead and click the link to join my VIP group. So with that, I will see you guys next Friday. Hope you have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. Bye.